Hey guys, so today, beef ribs. We're gonna do it up in a Central Texas rub. You know how I like to get down. So we're talking 4-bone beef chuck ribs on the UDS. You with it? Let's get it. Alright guys, so to get started, we're gonna go ahead and get some charcoal in our charcoal basket. And then I'm gonna just place some hickory wood chips here and there. So next we're gonna go ahead and take our charcoal basket and place it inside our UDS. So to start us off, we're going to start with placing our tumbleweed here on a grill rack of my Weber. And then we're going to place our charcoal chimney right on top. And we'll let that come up. So while I've got the charcoal lit, you can see that we've got our valves open. And we're taking the cap off. That's going to get us maximum airflow as we get this thing up to temperature. Alright guys, so these are the beef ribs that we're going to be cooking today. I picked these up at Texas A&M Meat department there when I went up there for their BBQ Camp here a couple of months ago. So these should be pretty good. As you can see, it's got a good little fat here on this side of the rack. And so man, let's get these things trimmed up and let's get them rubbed up and get them on the UDS. So as you can see, our charcoal chimney is lit and it's ready to go. So we're going to take this, and what I did was I kind of made a little well there in the middle of all that charcoal, and that's where I'm going to pour this in at. And so that's what it's going to look like, guys, as we get ready to get this cook going. We just got that lit charcoal there in the middle and all our ready to go charcoal around it along with our wood chunks. Yo, what's cracking there, Dog Pound? Hey, Dawgfatha's here. We're doing another cook today. You know how I get down. I got to get my cooks in when I can, so that's what we're doing. So today, let's take a look, see at what we got going on. That's right. That's right. Beef ribs, baby. Beef ribs on the UDS. Smoke is rolling while it comes up to temp. So you know how it goes around here. So that's what we're going to do. It's a nice, beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. Nice and sunny. It's hot. You know we love that heat, though, right? Okay, who am I kidding? We don't really love the heat, but we deal with it. We make do what we got to get done, right? So, again, dude, Dawgfatha's here. We're smoking ribs today. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Dawgfatha's out. Oh, and I don't own the rights to this music, okay? All right. Peace. It's got a nice little kick, a little spice with the black pepper. Great tenderness on it. This is what we're looking for, guys, when we're making Central Texas beef ribs, all right? That's another cook in the books here at the DawgfathasBBQ YouTube channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cook. It was a lot of fun. Until next time, Dawgfatha's out. Peace.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, dog, man. Alright, guys, today we're talking beef ribs. 4-bone beef chuck ribs, to be specific. You with it? Let's get it. Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna do some beef ribs. To be specific, I've got some 4-bone beef chuck ribs. We're gonna get it going on our UDS today. We're gonna smoke it up. So let's get it. Alright, gang, so these are the beef ribs. Let's get it. Alright, guys, today we're talking beef ribs. We're talking 4-bone chuck beef ribs. Y'all with it? Let's get it. Let's get it.